Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Garrick, aka Barber Luther King. If you're here with me now, it's because you have a beard. So you might be new to the beard gang, welcome, or you might be a vet and you're just looking for, trying to kind of find out more information about your beard. I'm here to tell you the top 5 benefits of using a beard oil. The number one benefit of using a beard oil is it nourishes and promotes growth to your beard. Now you have a face full of hair, and that hair needs treatment. The oils in a beard oil help to nourish it, make it more manageable and feel good, but at the same time, it also promotes growth to your beard because it has certain oils such as castor oil, almond oil, coconut oil, and these oils are known to help promote growth to your hair, which is the hair on your face. That's why we call it a beard. If you want your beard to get bigger, it's better than just splashing water on it. Put an oil on your beard and it'll help it grow even better and faster. Number 2, it relieves your beard of itching and beardruff. Now, some of you might be thinking, what's beardruff? It's just another word for dandruff. It's for your beard. So I created it, beardruff. So you won't have that dry, itchy feeling to your beard because it's all dry and you in public, you scratching, people think you got lice on your face. No, it eliminates that so your beard feels real soft and it's real oiled, and so you won't have that dandruff in there. So your beard looks nice, has a shine and a glow to it. Number 3, it makes your beard more manageable. Now, one thing about facial hair, especially having a beard, and this also applies to goatees as well, but your hair can have the tendency of growing any way that it wants. It goes this way, this way, this way. But when you use a beard oil, it makes it more manageable. It tames it so it'll all grow into the same direction. So therefore, some people I know, when you brush your beard, the hair might go this way, and it kind of looks nappy and patchy. A beard oil makes it smoother so it goes in the same direction. So you have that smooth looking beard, like if it's a 5 o'clock shadow beard so you look cool, or if you have a big beard, it looks cool too. So definitely use a beard oil because it manages the hair on your face better. Number 4, it hydrates your beard and softens your beard. It's just like walking around in everyday life. We need water. If we don't have water, we're extra dry. And we talk like this, and next thing you know, you'll shrink up like a little prune. But the beard oil hydrates your beard, makes it more full of life, makes it softer. It kind of gives it an H2O for your beard. And it makes your beard softer. Because some people, you touch their beards and it might cut you like a blade or something. But when you use a beard oil, the oils in it manage your hair to make it more softer. So when a woman rubs her hands through your beard, it's just like, ooh, she's like, oh my goodness, your beard is so soft. So you're like, hey, that's natural. But on the inside, you know it's the beard oil. Number 5, this is one of the most important reasons why you want to use a beard oil. It makes your beard smell good. So nobody wants a stinky, nasty, dirty beard with popcorn and cheese in it and everything. No, it makes your beard smell good. So when women hug you, like ain't nothing like a woman hug you and she's like, oh my God, your beard smells so good. You're like, hey, thank you. You know what? That's actually all me. But like I said last time, you're really using a beard oil, but you don't need to let her know. Or you could tell her, hey, it's my beard oil. She's like, oh, I need to buy some of that, more of that for you. Next thing you know, you don't even have to buy the beard oil yourself. She's buying the beard oil for you. So these are the top 5 benefits of using a beard oil. Oh, by the way, these 2 things right here, they just happen to be my beard oil. I have my own beard oil. It does everything. It manages, it softens your beard. It makes it smell good, gives it that shine. So when you go out in the sunlight, clack, 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 you're going to have women run up to you because your beard smells and looks so good. And most importantly, if you have like little patches in your beard and you want to fill in those patches, Dixon 1737 Miracle Oil will help your beard out. I'll include a link in the description, or you can find it right here on my shop section of my page. Or you can go to Amazon. I know a lot of people like to use Amazon because if you got Prime, it's free delivery. So those are the top reasons why you should use a beard oil. I'm here for you anytime you need me. Leave a comment, leave a message, DM me, whatever you want to do, you can do. And if you have a question, feel free to leave it in the comments and I'll answer. Martin Luther King, baby.